Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about relationship among data, part of data structures using C++ course. The relationship among data refers to the connections or associations between different pieces of information. In computer science, data relationships are often modeled and represented using data structures and algorithms. There are several types of relationships that can exist among data, including one-to-one. A one-to-one relationship exists between two data elements where each element is related to only one other element. For example, a person can have only one passport. One-to-many. A one-to-many relationship exists between two data elements where one element is related to multiple other elements. For example, a person can have many email addresses. Many-to-many. A many-to-many relationship exists between two data elements where each element is related to multiple other elements, and each other element is related to multiple elements. For example, a person can have many hobbies, and each hobby can be shared by many people. Data relationships can be represented using various data structures such as arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs. For example, a one-to-many relationship can be represented using a linked list, where each element in the list points to multiple other elements. A many-to-many relationship can be represented using a graph, where each node represents an element and each edge represents a relationship between elements. The choice of which data structure to use depends on the specific problem being solved and the requirements of the application. Understanding and modeling the relationship among data is an important part of designing and implementing computer programs. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.